Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to take a look over sensor ADT75. So let's go to controleverything.com and search for this sensor and find out. So ADT75 is an I2C temperature sensor and these are some of its features as you can see. Today I will be interfacing this sensor with an Arduino Nano and I will be requiring a code for that. So go to resource tab and here is our Arduino code sample. Click on this and you can download the code from here. You can also have this code from our GitHub repository, that is Control Everything Community. Now let's have a look over the connections we require for the hardware and let's proceed further. Coming to the connections part, first of all we require an Arduino Nano which you are able to see on my screen. Now this is an I2C sheet. It's available on our website controleverything.com and the reason we use is to make the connections with other I2C devices rather easy. So gently push over the Arduino Nano over the I2C sheet like this. Now this is our sensor ADT75 and a connecting cable. Make the connection of the cable and the sensor like this, and while making this connection please make sure that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and same thing goes for the I2C sheet. Now to power up our Arduino sensor, we require a mini USB cable just like this. Gently insert it over here and the connection is made. Now let's have a look over the code. Coming to the interfacing part, first of all we require the code. So go to github.com and here search for Control Everything Community, which you are able to see on my screen. Click on it and here type in ADT75, which is our sensor. Now here it is and this is our Arduino code. Let's have a look over the instruction first. We have to download and install the Arduino software IDE on our local machine, and this Arduino link helps us to install the software. So go through it and now get back to the code. This is our Arduino code with .ino extension. First of all, we have included wire.h library on our code and the address of our sensor is 0x48. In the void setup function, we have initialized serial communication with baud rate equal to 9600. Next, in the void loop function, we have our data selection from 0x00 register, and from this register we have requested and read 2 bytes of data. In this part of conversion, we have used the formulas described clearly in the datasheet of ADT75. At the end of our code, we have the data output on the serial monitor in the form of temperature, which is in Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. So this is how our code is. Now let's see how it works. Now for the working part, first of all we have to copy this entire Arduino code and open up the Arduino portal. Now here paste the code and save it by the name ADT75 for the reference and compile it. Now upload the code and let's see what happens. The code is uploaded and now check for the serial monitor. Now there is a data and temperature as you can see. Now when I press my finger over the sensor, there is a change in temperature as you can see. Now again pressing, the data changes for the temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. So this is how our code works. Now let's proceed further. Well, we have just seen the working of sensor ADT75. This sensor is a 12-bit temperature to digital converter. It has a SMBus and I2C compatible interface with over temperature indicator. This makes it applicable to environmental control sensors, power system monitors, computer thermal monitoring, and a lot more. This product is available on our website controleverything.com and the Arduino code is available on the same site. You can get this code from our GitHub repository, that is Control Everything Community. For further queries, you can reach us on controleverything.com and be sure to post your comments on our community page. For more articles and blogs, you can contact us on hackster.io and also on Instatables. To subscribe more video tutorials like this, go to our YouTube channel. In the end, you have a good day and thanks for watching.